So this is a follow-up video to my initial Bluedio T7 first impressions and unboxing, sorry. And here you can see the set. I've been using them fairly regularly, almost every day, and I'll be absolutely honest and tell you exactly what I think. I am not paid for this, so here we go. So I have my suspicions at the price point of these Bluetooth headphones, and you know, they mostly came very well recommended, which is a little bit weird because I am now starting to really question other YouTubers' opinions and thoughts about stuff, because these headphones, there is one major flaw. Actually, there's a couple, but yeah, I really am now questioning what I'm actually seeing on YouTube. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that must be getting paid some serious bucks from companies because these headphones are not what they seem. So there's one video about these headphones from Aliexpress Reviews, and there's slightly controversy about these because these headphones, while they serve a certain purpose, there is something that they're definitely not good for. They are very comfortable headphones. This band here is nice and soft and just makes it feel like you're hardly wearing anything when it's on your head. The earmuffs are nice and large, okay? And in terms of comfort, they are pretty good. Can't complain at all. The way that the controls over here sit, I've gotten quite used to them. Initially, it was a bit tricky, but now I really like them. I can definitely tell the difference between the noise cancelling button versus the on button, and no problems there. So in terms of physical design, very nice. Okay, now the big issue, but as pointed out by Aliexpress, whatever his name is that the sound quality in these headphones are quite poor, especially on Bluetooth. So as I've joined it onto a couple of different devices, it's the same problem, and that is the high end coming out of these headphones is very tinny. It ends up sounding very tinny, and it's almost unbearable at higher volumes. And the bass is very muddled. Okay, so the bass is okay, but sort of like a muddy, mushy bass rather than the crispness that you want. For listening to music, definitely no. Do not buy these headphones if you want to listen to your favorite songs, okay? They are definitely not for that. You can have them through wire, and that did definitely significantly improve the sound quality. But if you want it for Bluetooth, which is what I bought it for, so that I'm not, I'm not anchored to my phone, they are not good, not for music. What they are good for, though, is listening to movies, not too bad, and for just watching YouTube and everyday general stuff. They're great for that. There's absolutely no problems with that. Like if I'm just looking at general content that has just talking, great, no worries at all. Great headphones for that. Okay, the other problem with these headphones, and this is probably kind of a deal breaker, is when you're using them, the sound that you're hearing is also very easily transferred to the environment. So if you're in bed, for example, and your partner is next to you trying to get to sleep, these headphones are very, very loud. For the non-user, for the person next to you. What I end up doing a lot is having them right at the lowest volume, and even then you can clearly hear what is being listened to if you're next to the person using the headphones. So those two things are something most people will be looking for in a Bluetooth headphone, because you're going to be using it at nighttime, and you are going to want to have good music performance, and those two things these headphones do not hit. But for the price, they are very cheap, good for general listening. And if you're not a true audiophile, if you don't really care about the quality of what you're listening to and are looking for a Bluetooth speaker, then this might be okay for a purchase. So I'm going to put the link below if you are still interested. I imagine the prices are going to get lower before it gets discontinued. So have a look. You can buy them on eBay. They're going to be there. Aliexpress. I don't know about Aliexpress. Any comments or questions, please write below. Do you agree? Do you have these headphones? Do you agree? If you have these headphones and you write below to confirm what I'm saying, then we're only spreading the word about these. Bluedio do make a whole bunch of other awesome products. It's just that this particular model, the T7, which has been superseded, but the T7 is not one of those. Can I just please ask you again just to subscribe over here? That'll be great. And see you at the next video.